In this video, I'll guide you through how to find absentee owner leads in PropWire. If you're building a targeted real estate marketing campaign, absentee owner leads are one of the most commonly used lead types because they allow you to focus your efforts on owners who don't live at the property. PropWire makes it easy to build this type of list, and in this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step. To get started, sign into your PropWire account and head to the home screen. The first thing you'll need to do is choose the area you want to search. You can search by zip code, city, county, or even a smaller map area depending on your strategy. If you're working in a rural market, you may want to search a larger area to generate enough leads. For this example, simply enter a zip code and select it from the search results. Once the area loads, PropWire will display the total number of properties available. Next, click on Lead Types and select Absentee Owners. The property count will immediately update to show only absentee-owned properties within your selected area. At this point, you already have a usable list, but it's often helpful to narrow it down further. Open the Property Types filter and choose the types of properties you want to target. For example, you can select single-family homes or choose other property types depending on your investment strategy. In this example, we'll focus on single-family homes. Next, adjust the estimated value filter to match your target price range. Setting a minimum and maximum property value helps remove listings that don't fit your budget or investment goals, leaving you with a more focused list. After that, click More and open Owner Filters. Here you can choose whether to target in-state or out-of-state absentee owners. If you prefer owners who live outside the state where the property is located, simply select that option. You can also choose Individual as the owner type, limit the maximum number of properties owned, and set a minimum number of years of ownership to further refine your results. To narrow the list even more, return to More and open Financial Filters. Adjust the estimated equity slider so you're only viewing properties with your preferred equity range. Once you've made your selections, click Save and Close to apply all of the filters. After the results update, select the properties you'd like to work with and use the available options to either download the list or start a skip trace directly through PropWire if you need additional owner contact information. When downloading the list, you can choose which fields to include before exporting the file. And that's all there is to finding absentee owner leads in PropWire. With the right combination of filters, you can quickly build a highly targeted list that matches your investment strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.